Local news for Wednesday the 15th of January. Police are continuing to investigate the deaths of two people near Castle Point on Monday. They've confirmed the deceased are 48-year-old Jody Brightman and 54-year-old James Teddy. A firearm has been located and police are not seeking any further weapons in relation to the deaths. And they can confirm the name of the woman who died following a crash in Carterton on Monday. She was Glenys Mary Rowe, 73, of Carterton. Featherston median prices for homes have doubled in the last 10 years. The average price in 2019 was $409,100 and it's up 103% since 2009. Featherston was also listed as one of the top 10 areas to increase in New Zealand. And in sport, registrations are open for the Breadcraft Children's Triathlon Series. The three events take place over 3 weeks from the 17th of February, with registrations being able to be done via the Wairarapa Multisport Club website. Kia ora for local news, I'm Brent Gare.